cold weather, broken pipes, the worst thing to come home to. So before I left town, I want to make sure I got a hold of the Treatlife detecting water leaks, taking a look inside the box. We take a look at Treatlife's water leak detector kit with actually 4 sensors and a full home hub with Zigbee. Quick peek inside the box, simple packaging. They make it so the instruction book is right on top. Then underneath the instruction book is the actual control module and the actual 4 leak detectors. Underneath the module, if it says what it's supposed to, we should find, and we do, batteries under each side. So what we're going to do next is load up the app, plug in the control module, and take a look at how it all functions and do some real world tests. A few things to note about the actual gateway itself, which is Zigbee, and the actual sensors. I've got a couple of them laying up above. On this one with the plug, there's a little bitty button on the top that's right there that you'll hold down to do the configuration. And then on the inside of these, and I put it in both ways, you slide the top off. So there's the top that slides off. The batteries, of course, go in. They provide batteries with it. Then there's a button for configuration. Once you reassemble it, that is the bottom of it at the top. This is a whole sensor. This is the part that must be down onto the floor. So you can actually then have it sense the water, and the top has the speaker that's on it. It should go off for up to 30 seconds at minute intervals to let you know that it detected something besides the application itself. So the next piece we're going to do is put them all together inside the application, which I already downloaded from that QR code. All right, so what we've done is actually configured the wall device, powered this up, configured this, put the batteries in it, added the devices to the list. You can actually see them kind of showing up there. And then, as a test, we're going to see what's happened. A little bit of water in a dish. I don't want to soak it, but I wanted to know is if I got a leak like near the water heater and it just started to run a little bit or leak, what sort of alert we would get. So we'll take a look. We'll hear the sounds. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the dish. I was going to use the up-close camera, but I don't think there's a need. Remember, there's a sensor side and a speaker side. Sensor side down. Here we go. I don't know how loud it's going to be. I don't know what kind of noise we're going to get from the phone. I did allow it to do notifications. It actually tells me that the water leak detector can be used now on the screen. So let's see what we get. I'm going to turn it on its side. This might be loud. I don't know. But here we go. Now, there we go. We have an alert. A water leak alert just popped up. So it tells me, I labeled them. So you can give them names, by the way. Each detector can have its own name. So it told me that I actually have one that's detected. Please check related equipment. This thing goes off for a certain amount of time. We'll take it out of the water. It stops instantly once the water's cleared up, which is nice. So I guess once those two little pieces connect via the water, we find out that we have a leak. So what I like so far is it gave me a prompt on here, told me exactly what device there was. It made an audible sound in the basement. You wouldn't hear it from all the way upstairs, but that's what the push notification is for. It was so easy to configure. I didn't really even use the book much except to make sure I clicked the right button or held it down for 5 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and put these other 3 in the house and update it. But otherwise, a great buy. It comes with 4. It comes with the hub. Great notifications, great push notifications. It was almost instantaneous as soon as we put it in the water. You saw. So now it's dry. We'll drop it in. It's pretty damn faint, and it just went off again on the phone. So I would say a definite plus from us, a good buy, and of course, link is in the show notes. It is an affiliate link, but please go ahead and grab yourself a set of 4, and remember to change your batteries at the same time you probably change your smoke detectors. It'd be a good move. Another review from Spike Studio.